In this section, we're going to get down to work and put into practice the knowledge obtained through the previous section, creating the application you see on the screen. It is an application that shows famous quotes about software development and other areas similar to software development. We see in the central part this label that shows us what the quote is and who said it. Underneath, we have a button that allows us to generate new quotes. But that's not all. At the background, we also see a nice gradient that will change as we press the button. Let's press the button so you can see it, and see how the gradient has completely changed, just like the quote that we are seeing on the screen. And in the same way, this gradient has a uniform combination from end to end, that is to say, it has a gradient that looks pretty good. And I'm going to press the button several times so you can see how the quote and the gradient of the application are changing. The gradient definitely gives a very nice look to this application, and you can use it in other applications you want to create. So let's learn how to create this application next.